Let me show you how to connect Google Business Profile to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full local SEO performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Google Business Profile from the available platforms and set the permissions. Sign in with your Google account to grant access to your business data. Select the business profile you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now copy the Google Business Profile MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Google Business Profile MCP URL and click Add. The Google Business Profile connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull performance data from your Google Business Profile for the last 30 days. The prompt asks for profile views, search queries, website clicks, direction requests, phone calls, and customer reviews. It also asks to generate a structured report with visibility trends, engagement insights, and local SEO recommendations. Claude connects to your Google Business Profile through InsightfulPipe, loads the tools, runs all the queries, and starts building the report. Here is the Google Business Profile Performance Report covering the last 30 days. The Profile Visibility section shows nearly 13,000 total views, with mobile search leading at about 46%. The Customer Engagement section shows about 600 website clicks, over 260 direction requests, and about 110 phone calls, with a daily profile views chart showing a strong upward trend. The top search queries table shows InsightfulPipe leading with over 500 searches, followed by AI MCP connectors at about 400. The report includes 5 recent customer reviews, all 5 stars, with detailed feedback from users praising the MCP connectors and seamless setup. It also includes 6 actionable recommendations for local SEO, from responding to reviews and publishing Google posts to enabling messaging and optimizing the business description. That's Google Business Profile connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.